This annulette is about to change your hair routine in a beautiful way. Kind of like learning how to tie your shoes. There's a few techniques. Find the one that works for you and then stick with that. What I like to do is take one of the beads and pinch it in between my index finger and thumb after making sure all my hair is moved out of the way. Then I lift my pinky, wrap it around, and pull the band as tight or loose as I want it before poking the bead through one of the adjustable loops. Then I wrap the band around my hair and poke the second bead through another adjustable loop, not just to tighten, but also secure the ponytail. When you're ready to let your hair down, just unbutton each bead from the adjustable loops and gently pull the annulette from your hair. Place the annulette on your wrist as a bracelet if it's not in your hair, or you can always store it in its dust bag. Remember, the beads are real sterling silver and they need to be protected just like your hair.